The crime is against me
Là, son crime
because we have a
contre moi-même
corrupt
qui a fait.
district
Parce que nous avons un procureur
we have a
qui
corrupt
corrompu.
attorney general,
Nous avons tout
and it all comes down from the DOJ.
CG
They're totally
qui par
coordinated
moi-même.
in
Et toute
Washington
bagaille
because
ça a
I'm
sorti
leading.
le
I'm the
ministère de
leading
la
candidate. I'm
Justice.
leading
Tout
Biden
ça
by
parce que
10 points,
moi-même devant
and I'm
Biden.
leading the
Et
Republicans
nous
by
avons
50 and
dépassé
60
Biden, nous
points.
avons de
That's
50
pretty
à
much
60
they
points.
say over.
Je
I
dis
never
plus, je vais faire
accept
trop
that.
d'accord,
They say
mais
it's over.
les plus. Donc,
This has to do
sont
with
question
election
d'ingérence
interference, plain and
électorale
simple.
parfaite. Là, son biais
They're trying to
électoral
damage
parfait.
me
Et
so
puis,
that I don't
c'est en
do as well as I'm doing in the
témoigner
election.
de façon pour ne pas performer dans la prochaine élection, ça, parce que c'est moi pas le président du pays à aller là.
Step to the right. The crime is against me because we have a corrupt district attorney, but we have a corrupt attorney general, and it all comes down from the DOJ. They're totally coordinated. It's in Washington because I'm leading. I'm the leading candidate. I'm leading Biden by 10 points, and I'm leading the Republicans by 50 and 60 points. That's pretty much, they say, over. I never accept that, but they say it's over. This has to do with election interference, plain and simple. They're trying to damage me so that I don't do as well as I'm doing in the election.
Can I leave this chair by you for a second?